What's going on, Torque King Nation? It's the video you have been looking for on the TK4950 Master Front Free Spin Kit with DynaLoc lockout hubs with axle U-joints and install tools for 2003 to 2008 Dodge Ram trucks with single rear wheels. The TK4950 kit includes special assembly tools and extras needed to upgrade your heavy-duty Ram 4x4 front axle to low-cost serviceable wheel bearings and your choice of fuel-saving lockout hubs. The heart of all these components are made right here in the USA. Let's briefly go over what's in these high-quality kits. There's spindles with bearings and seals, Timken or Dana wheel seals, 35 spline outer shafts, 8-bolt wheel hubs, plus our comprehensive master kits also include a spindle nut socket, Torque King factory glued axle U-joints, wheel seal tools, bearing packer, synthetic wheel bearing grease, thread locker, and anti-seize compound. For more tech notes and applications of this part, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit TorqueKing.com. Hey there, friends. We sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.